Low tension ignition systems use a low system voltage in comparison to high tension systems. They're able to do that through Champion's proprietary semiconductor technology that they use in the firing end tip. This technology lowers the ionization voltage at the tip and allows it to spark with a lower voltage. For the low tension system, you have your exciter, your lead, and your igniter. Really it comes down to the semiconductor technology and the igniter. It's something that Champion is the leader in. It's going to guarantee that your igniter is able to spark at that low voltage. It's going to cut down costs, it's going to cut down weight, it's going to bring up the reliability of your entire system.
The high tension ignition systems typically run 12 to 20,000 volts, where the low tension systems typically operate around 3,000 to 6,000 volts.
One of the issues that happens when you use either a mid-range or a high tension ignition system is having to safeguard against the very voltage that you are trying to create. When you're having to do that, you have to have more dielectric protection, which requires more specialty components, and a lot of those components have an increased size and weight to them. One of the major factors is having an increased EMI. So with such a high voltage output being in such a short span of time, that can create EMI hazards. So utilizing lower voltage spark events allows us to have reduced EMI implications that we have to overcome.
With low tension systems and the semiconductor technology we use, it's extremely hard to quench the igniter. Quenching is when it denies the igniter to spark under that pressure, compared to the high tension systems that are typically quenching with higher pressures. If you get in an instance, say inclement weather or a vertical takeoff or landing, you want to make sure that that igniter is sparking every time and not being quenched during that operation.
With a low tension ignition system, Champion can count on ourselves. We don't have to worry about any sort of outside sources. We can make the formulations that we've developed over the years here at this facility in Liberty, South Carolina. We're very pleased with that ability because not only does it help us with constant flow of materials to our customers, but it helps meet our customers' needs.
We are seeing that we are faster and more nimble than our competition with development of those products. Through the years, Champion has evolved to the point where we're the world leader in ignition systems.